So this is a compass.
This is the compass, yes.
And the watch has a 24-hour.
Exactly, only 1 hour hand and a dial with 24 hours and no minute hand because it's an exploration watch. So if you are outside and you walk, you don't need to know the precise minute. That's the... And the chronograph, mono pusher chronograph.
So it's a movement that runs at a traditional 18,000
exactly
operations per hour?
Yes, it's a very traditional movement. So chronograph, mono pusher, and all the components are hand decorated. So Côte de Genève, perlage, anglage, and the balance wheel and the spiral are made in Villeray too. It's like a military watch. So this is a military, how do you say this? Strap, and you wear it over the jacket.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So I can just show you first. You can put it on the table too. So you use this. And you can put it on the table like this.
Okay.
And then you can put it on the strap. It's not so easy to do it.